Hey there! Struggling with a frustrating issue where your Wi-Fi router shows no internet access? Well, you're not alone. Many people face this annoying problem that can disrupt everything from work to entertainment. But fear not. Today we're diving into how to fix no internet access on Wi-Fi router setups, ensuring you get back online swiftly and smoothly. In this guide, we'll go through step-by-step solutions to troubleshoot and solve the issue of no internet access on your Wi-Fi router. These steps are designed to help identify and resolve common causes behind the problem. So grab your device and let's tackle it together. Step 1. Check physical connections. The first step in resolving this issue is ensuring that all physical connections are secure. Begin by examining your modem and router. Make sure all cables are firmly connected, especially between the modem and the router. If possible, try using different Ethernet cables to rule out faulty wires as the cause of the problem. Also, check that the power adapters for both devices are plugged in properly and that both devices are turned on. Step 2. Restart modem and router. Sometimes a simple restart can clear out minor glitches causing the no internet access issue. Unplug both your modem and router from the power source. Wait for at least 30 seconds before plugging them back in. Power up the modem first and allow it to fully boot up before turning on the router. Once both devices are back online, check if the internet access issue persists. Step 3. Verify network settings. If restarting doesn't solve the problem, it's time to dive into your network settings. Connect to your router using a computer or smartphone. Access its admin interface, typically through a web browser or entering the router's IP address, often found on the router's label or manual. Ensure that your network settings are correct. This includes checking the DHCP settings, confirming there are no incorrect static IP configurations blocking connection, and ensuring the router's firmware is up to date. Step 4. Check for service outages. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Contact your internet service provider to confirm whether there's an outage in your area. Many providers offer real-time status updates on their websites or through customer service lines. Knowing if there's an external issue at play can save time and anxiety. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset on your router. This step will erase any custom settings you have configured, returning the router to its default state. To do this, locate the reset button on your router, often a pinhole that requires a paperclip. Hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Once reset, you'll need to set up your network again, which includes renaming your Wi-Fi and securing it with a password. Fixing the issue of no internet access on your Wi-Fi router can seem daunting, but with these steps, you'll be on the path to resolving the issue quickly. From checking physical connections and restarting your devices to verifying network settings, these solutions address the most common root causes. Remember, if all else fails, reaching out to your internet service provider for support is always a good step. By following this guide, you'll minimize downtime and maximize your connectivity, ensuring you maintain a smooth online experience. Good luck, and here's to uninterrupted browsing.